sprayed over rain clouds. There's your spray, there's your chemtrails. Your rain clouds right there. Everything above them is chemtrails. Aerosol clouds, pink when the sun goes down. So I'll pan over here, and there you go. Your pinkish aerosol clouds have all capped the rain, and that's why we have drizzle and cold temperatures. You can see a bit of the fallout haze right there. Right there. Oh, I won't turn sideways, I know that. There's a rain cloud. And there's your chemtrails. Right there. Brownish color. And then you got rain clouds right there, covering it all. And there you go. There's their medicine for this storm. Yep. Capping the rain clouds. And you can see it right there. Everything above the rain clouds is chemtrails. All right, that's all I got.